Do your feet need a little bit of pampering? Today, we're gonna make a happy feet foot soak. Your feet will be feeling great in no time. Everything that you'll need for this recipe can be found in your Simply Earth recipe box. For making this recipe, you'll go from sore feet to feeling like you could run a marathon. Hey guys, my name is Shyla. I'm a certified aromatherapist and I love teaching people how to make recipes with their essential oils. So now it's time to turn off all the distractions because making is healing. Let's get started. All right, I'm gonna grab my box and I'll show you what you need. So the first thing you're gonna need is your recipe card. Ta-da! We're gonna need our fractionated coconut oil from our box, some Epsom salt from home, and the essential oils you're gonna use are cajeput and our relief blend. This blend is amazing. It's really good for sore muscles and I'm really excited to have some in my recipe and use it on my feet. All right, so the first thing you're gonna wanna do is grab your fractionated coconut oil, get a tablespoon, measure that guy out, and you're gonna put this into a separate dish from the Epsom salt so that we can add the essential oils to make sure they're properly diluted. 2 drops of cajeput and 1 drop of relief. All right, so I'm gonna just stir that. All right, so now I'm gonna add my Epsom salt to a larger dish. Add in that fractionated coconut oil and the essential oils. I'm gonna mix this together for an even consistency. It'll kind of feel like wet sand when you're done. The last step of this process is you're gonna add this to a sealable container. Put your label on it. To use this recipe, you can add the entire recipe at once into your bath under running water, or you can put it just right into the water, or if you want to just put a few tablespoons in at once, that works too. Your feet are gonna love this recipe. The Simply Earth recipe box made it so easy to make this recipe. Don't forget, I love seeing all the creations you made on social media. So take a picture of this recipe once you've made it, use the hashtag #IMadeThis, and tag from Simply Earth, so I can see all of your fun creations and so can everybody else. You guys are gonna love using essential oils with confidence and clarity. So go ahead and get the box today so that you can make your home toxin-free. See you later.